Artificial intelligence is taking over industries, automating jobs, and changing the way businesses operate. But what about network marketing? Can AI actually replace network marketers? Or is there something AI will never be able to do? Stay tuned, because what we're about to reveal will shock you.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the AI Hustle channel. If you're in network marketing or thinking about getting started, today's topic is a game changer. We're diving into whether AI can actually replace network marketers, or if it's just another tool to help you grow faster than ever before. Make sure to stick around until the end, because I'll also be introducing you to an AI tool that's revolutionizing network marketing. Let's get into it.
AI is already transforming network marketing in ways we never imagined. Here are just a few ways AI is making an impact right now. Automating lead generation. AI can analyze data and find the best prospects, so you're not wasting time chasing dead-end leads. Personalized follow-ups. AI chatbots and automated messages can nurture leads and respond instantly, increasing conversions. Smart recruiting AI can identify patterns and predict who is most likely to succeed in network marketing, helping you build a stronger team. Social media domination. AI-driven analytics tell you exactly what to post, when to post, and how to engage with your audience for maximum reach. Sounds pretty impressive, right? But does this mean network marketers are no longer needed? Not so fast.
Here's the truth. AI is powerful, but it will never fully replace human network marketers. Why? Because network marketing is built on relationships, trust, and genuine human connection. Let's break it down.
Trust and authenticity. AI can't build real trust like a person can. People join people, not just businesses. Emotional intelligence. AI can send messages, but it can't read emotions or handle personal conversations the way you can. Leadership and team building. A strong team needs guidance, motivation, and mentorship. Things AI simply can't provide. Creative problem-solving. AI follows patterns, but it doesn't think outside the box like humans do.
So while AI is an incredible tool, it can't replace you. What it can do is make your job a whole lot easier by automating the boring stuff so you can focus on what really matters, building relationships and growing your business.
This is where Sparky AI comes in. If you want to use AI to your advantage without losing the human touch, Sparky AI is the ultimate solution. Automated follow-ups. Sparky AI calls, texts, and emails your leads 24/7 until they respond, making sure no opportunity is wasted. Personalized conversations. Unlike generic AI bots, Sparky AI tailors responses based on your lead's behavior, making interactions feel more natural. Global outreach. It supports 26 different languages, allowing you to expand your business worldwide. Multi-stream income. Connect up to 5 core companies and 2 additional income streams, all in one place. Live call center integration. Sparky AI can even connect your leads to a real person when they're ready to sign up.
With Sparky AI, you get the best of both worlds. Cutting-edge automation without losing the human connection that makes network marketing so powerful. Imagine waking up to new leads, automated follow-ups, and a team that's growing on autopilot. That's what Sparky AI can do for you. So, can AI replace network marketers? The answer is no, but it can make you unstoppable if you know how to use it. AI is a tool, not a replacement. The best network marketers are the ones who embrace new technology while staying true to what makes this business great: authenticity, leadership, and human connection. If you're ready to supercharge your business, click the link below and check out Sparky AI. It's time to work smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching. If you got value from this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more game-changing network marketing tips. And let me know in the comments, how do you think AI will impact network marketing in the next few years? Let's start the conversation. See you in the next video. God bless.